Guys, what's up? We're gonna do fart noises today. This stuff is called Flarp. My friend Marshmallow Man gave me it. If you could go subscribe to him. It's really fun to play with and to fart with. Gotta do something. Yay. It smells kind of like orange. Probably because it is orange. Alright. I don't know what this is, but maybe you can scan it. I don't know. Yay, farts. Alright, farting montage.
Hard.
Oh yeah. Wow. Here's a big one. Yay. I think I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys can get this at like maybe Walmart or Target. I don't know. He gave it to me. I don't know where he got it. But I think that's all for today, guys. See you later. Peace out. Bye-bye.